placed on the wall, guys, is in the airport, train stations, public places, department store, grocery, even private companies, even mga resorts na na yung mga EED in the swimming pool and the reception. So, hit na kayo siya karon because they notice that it's very important na mag-relate data yun ang tao. The earlier, the better. In fact, the study shows na every minute na ma-delay ang immune fibrillation, there is a 10% decrease in survival. So, lisod man magtudlo ang manual, naging dito sila automated. And that is why, as early as 2000, i-distribute na nila different states, including Japan karon na Japanese Airlines mismo na na-EED. Okay? On board sa mga American Airlines, British Airlines, na sila mga steward, di pagtutuan na. Okay? So, if you are in that setting wherein EED is already in place, obviously, apilan na nimo o syagit. Hey, are you okay? Please call the ambulance, get the EED. Ingon na nimo, anak. Okay? Problema sa Pilipinas, kung man kayo EED din, ay nalagi pagkapipanghampong di. Please call the ambulance, get the EED. Kung ingon na mong isugo, kita mo na sa EED. Kung si apelido. Ang nasa kanila. So, my point is, it depends on the situation. If not applicable, we'll just call the ambulance. Okay? If applicable, please get the EED. Kaya ang EED kasagaran, guys, itapat na sa emergency phone booth. Okay? So, itawag mo, na-EED skillet, na-extinguisher. Sa una, extinguisher na mag-yun na. When you call. Para yung kaso may sunog, yung nagabalik. Karon na nakapika sa ang EED. Kung ato nang ibo lang sa Pilipinas, 5 minutos, na nakawato na lang. Because that costs around 150 to 200,000. Okay, so let's start. Hey, are you okay? Please call the ambulance. Get the EED. Then you go for the opening of the airway. When you open the airway, guys, do it slowly. No, I can't take anak. No, nagbalik kag-iog anak. So slowly, anak. Then make sure it's fully tilted. Remember, in an adult case, you have two full tilted one. Okay, remember you've seen the thumb. No, black din na siya. So obviously, this will open the airway. Now, let's talk later about the jaw thrust maneuver. Let's just concentrate on the head, tail, chin, left. In that case, you do this manner.